Diolch fawr iawn i chi gyd am ddod. Y rheswm bod ni yma ydi, ni'n trio gwneud cynadleddau'r wasg o gwmpas pob ardal yng Nghymru i ddangos bod ni'n fwy na just Caerdydd. Mi rai o'n chi sydd ddim yn gwybod, dwi eisiau fod rhan mwy o chi yn gwybod. Mae'r ganolfan yna yn eiconic gyda phlant Cymru dros y blynyddoedd. Miloedd wedi dod yma ar ei gwyliau a mae gennym ni berthynas agos gyda'r Urdd i gael blasu gwersyll Llangrannog sydd rhoi gymaint o bleser i filoedd o bobl dros y blynyddoedd ac ar ôl y gynhadledd mi fydd o'n mynd o gwmpas y gwersyll yn cyfarfod llawer o'r plant a'r rhieni sydd yma heddiw. We'll take a few questions from the children. O'n i gymryd ychydig o gwestiynau gan y plant. These the children here sat here?
Do you think you would qualify to the Euros?
Ooh, good question. Morning. No, I hope so. I mean, we've got a difficult task now because we obviously lost the last 2 games. Every game now is more or less a must-win. I believe in the players. We've got good enough players. We just need to obviously play a little bit better, and like all football teams need that little bit of luck as well. Do you think we'll qualify? Good. Thank you. Thanks for the question before.
Quite a special place. We employ over 100 people, a lot of them local. It's a worthwhile experience, and over 60% of the Welsh schools visit us. Yeah. This is Jeff. Jeff is our maintenance man, as you can tell.
Oh yeah. Do you want me to sign?
Yes, please.
Yeah? Find a space?
Yeah. Thank you very much. Yeah.
So you keep the place going?
Yes.
Jeff was
I used to have hair like that. Long time ago.
Yeah?
Good.
Yeah. Thank you.
Okay, no problem. Nice to meet you. Cheers. Hello, you okay? Hello, you smart. You look young.
John Williams, who coaches the under-8s for Llangrannog. Most
Okay.
of the boys have already signed for Llangrannog.
Hello, you okay? You always this quiet? No.
What do you think of Ryan's squad then? Good squad?
Yeah?
Must be good at his job then, yeah?
A lot of young players. So in a few years, might be picking some of you. Can I take it? Oh, hey! Hey! That was like Pogba and Rashford. Can I have a go? You ready? Just watch that ball there. Oh! Got ya.
They love this shooting drill. So, do you want to take part?
Yeah, no problem.
Can you race one of them?
I'll go in goal.
Do you want to go in goal?
Yeah, I'll go in goal.
All right, Harvey, Ryan's going to go in goal in a second.
No one's going to score against me. No chance. Oh, went over. Was your head over the ball? So that when you're kicking it, there. If you look up, it's going to go up. Okay? So that. Remember what I said? What did I say? When you kick it. Okay. I'm still going to save it. Oh, wow. Please tell me you got that on camera. Do you not like him? Is that not your mate? Is he all right? Are you okay, mate? Are you okay? I'll help you up. That's it. That's much better. Foot over the ball. Give me 5. Well done, mate.
You guys didn't play two of them.
Good.
Yeah? Last week. Well, that's what you do. I haven't done with you.
Obviously with 2 defeats, you're up against it. but it's still early in the group. There's still plenty of points to play for. You know, if we have got aspirations to qualify, we need to win all our home games, and obviously this is our home game. Tom Lockyer has made the jump up to the Championship and doing really well for Charlton, and so has Joe Roden. And obviously Meps has played 3 out of the 4 games for Bournemouth, so yeah, I've got a choice to make in that department. I've tried to find sort of a centre-half partnership, but because of whatever injuries or form, not been able to do that. Just looking at the players over the last few weeks, how they've started the season, and again this week in training. Obviously I've got in my mind who I want the partnership to be, but all 4 of them can come in and do a job. Again, looking in that respect, where I have that quality and experience, it's just for my choice to choose who starts. We've got tough games ahead. I think every time you play for your country, you're under pressure. Just welcome that pressure.
Stand together. 2s. Yes. 2 jumps. 4s. East. Just gonna leave him. Yes. Woody, give me 2 jumps. On the move again. There you go. Good. Keep going. 2s again. Who's a 3? Have a stretch. Finish your stretch.
And then pulling that on the shirt that way as well. Camera.
Yeah, I've actually seen it.
Oh, have you?
Yeah.
There's always one. Nice kit. You think? I don't really mind.
I'd rather not see them. Probably don't get put off by the lads. Yeah, that's good, mate.
I don't know, I wasn't there.
So go to the culprit.
Fresh
I'm
one.
not apologising.
Got a big Adidas deal, see?
Oh no, boy.
Ethan and Purdue.
Oh. Feel like old Captain's armband on, isn't it?
Mate, when you scored that goal over there. Was I on the pitch? I was on the pitch, yeah.
You and Brooksy's over
You
there.
Brooks over there, I hit Brooks in the face.
Check a fish, lad.
Yeah, you can do that.
Try it.
You can do that.
It's my old man.
You can do that, Geese.
He's not here.
Like that.
Let's do one of them. Good, keep going, good.
Amateurs. Amateur.
No, he went.
Good.
Oh, he's struggling.
Nice one, brother.
Yes!
Situation with Osh, obviously Osh has left. Obviously disappointing for me, but fantastic for Osh. A new opportunity in Morocco. I'd just like to go on record of thanking Osh, the contribution not only for me, but also in Welsh football in general. Replacing Osh for the next 3 camps is Pagey, obviously someone who I know well, played with, the under-21s coach, and Paul Bowden will move up and Rob Edwards. So that's the situation regarding the staff. Obviously we won our first game, which was at home. We've got a great record here. The players love playing here. We've always had fantastic support, and it makes a difference. You know, it makes a difference when we do get that fantastic support. Against Slovakia, up against it in the final few minutes, and the crowd helped us get through that. Azerbaijan, as we've seen away from home, can make it difficult. They did really well over in Croatia, creating lots of chances, and they've scored in every game, so we need to be wary of that. But like I say, if we're going to qualify, we need to do well and win all our home games.
Come on with us.
Joe, congratulations. Thank you. Wales cap safely tucked away. You enjoy it?
Yeah, obviously it was brilliant to make my debut tonight, especially in front of the home crowd, and to get the 3 points is always another great boost as well.
Wasn't the greatest of performances, but we did get that way.
Yeah, of course. Playing against teams like that is frustrating, especially when they sit off. But obviously we switched off with a goal. But the character the boys shown to win the game was exceptional, and we're just glad to get over the line, and hopefully it can give us confidence into the next game.
Is it fair to say you've perhaps not found your rhythm yet in this qualifying campaign, Colin?
Yeah, 100%. I think against Slovakia we were touch and go, we were decent in patches, and obviously the two disappointing games in the summer we weren't at our best, and tonight we weren't at our best again. So I think there's still a lot to come. We've got a lot of talented players in the squad, and hopefully things click sooner rather than later, and we can get things going and get some momentum.
Obviously 3 points is the main thing. We got them. We'd have loved to have done it a bit more, with a bit more comfort, but we got them.
Has the manager spoken to you in the change rooms afterwards?
Yeah, he has. Yeah, he said obviously not happy with the performance. Really, it was poor. I think a lot of us didn't really play as good as we can play. But like I said, the most important thing is the win, and we move on. And hopefully, in the games come in following this, we can play better, win those games, and you never know.
I wasn't happy at half time because 1-0 wasn't. I knew it wasn't going to be good enough. We needed to score that second goal. So delighted with the 3 points. Delighted with the character that was shown, because it's not easy. It's not easy at all. And we always work hard. The lads always work hard. So positives, but also things that I was disappointed with. I was really pleased with his display. He was a handful. Just assess him. Yeah, that's the choice that I've got to make. I mean, I've spoke about trying to get that continuity within the team, that everyone knows their job, recognising I may have to freshen things up.
Oh, I mean, okay, cheers. Thank you very much. Cheers. Oh, big man, right? Yeah, okay. Wait. There we are. There we are, big man. Here he is. Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh. I'll play back sorted. Yeah, good. You doing it? How are you doing? Hey, you alright? So, everyone's in food. Good.
Yeah, downstairs now.
Is on now.
Yes, please.
Oh, we're getting there. Every time we meet up, we are getting there. The expectation is huge now because we qualified for the Euros. It's constantly a juggling act, bringing a little bit of freshness, looking at the opposition as well, how best we can hurt them. You've got to fight to the end, and the lift that it gives you, even if you've not played, as well as you'd like to. When you score that last goal, it's a big thing that you want within your team, never to give up. And like I said, it showed great character. Giving players chances. The other night, what was there, 7 players with 20 caps or less. In international football, Connor Roberts made his debut 1 year ago, Joe Roden making his debut. What I would say about my style, I've got a certain style of play depending on what players I've got. Principles remain the same. So no matter what system I play, no matter who we're playing against, the same principles apply. In defence, it's the same. I want to be compact, I want to be narrow, I want to be aggressive, win the ball back. When we're in possession, I want to play the ball quicker. I want to see players running behind.
At the last moment, I make my movement.
The style of play can change because of the personnel. Because maybe you're up against Spain one week, maybe you're against Azerbaijan or a team that isn't Spain, isn't Germany, isn't Holland the next week.
Yeah, keep your toe in.
I made a big effort on trying to play players who were fit. And then what that gave me was you're not bringing players off after an hour because they're not fit enough. And you can get an impact sub, which Johnny Williams, you've seen it, he lifted everyone. He lifted the game.
Oh, no. Oh, no. It's got wet socks. Right, and on the two on the end, if you look at... Oh, no. And then just arms down by your side, kind of, it's almost like stretched out, like not quite out like that, but down. Down like that. You want that shot, don't you?
Yeah, bigger shirt.
Cool, that's good.
Sorry, mate.
That's good, and then arms folded. Cheers, lads. Thanks a lot. Cheers, lads. Cheers.
I never thought I'd be a model.
Well, you know, you've got a new career after this.
Yeah, cheers, mate.
We just need to take our chances. I hope this weekend we can take our chances, and I'm sure we'll come away with the wins.
Just don't lose.
Yeah. Don't lose.
Yeah.
Hope
We need
for a
4
win.
points from these two games, I think. So can't lose.
Absolutely. Just do not lose.
keeper. You grab me for 2 minutes, mate, is that alright? Just talking through the feeling when you saw it hit the back of the net.
Absolutely buzzing. Like there's no better feeling than seeing the ball at the back of the net. You know, to get have my competitive debut and to mark it off with a goal is an amazing feeling.
Yeah, it was good. It was good to get my first competitive cap. It's not easy coming to places like this. It's always going to be tough. I think towards the end of the game, if there's one team that's going to go on and win it, that's probably going to be us.
I mean, there was all talk of Ash playing before the game, but I mean, was it a surprise you got the call?
I got told yesterday, the gaffer called me to one side. He said, there's a reason why I'm picking you, and you've impressed me for Charlton so far. So go and enjoy it. And yeah, obviously it's a big occasion, it's a massive game. So for him to put his trust in me like that was brilliant. And, it was great of him to do that, and I appreciate it.
Just said be a nuisance, try hold the ball, try win everything, just give the defence a hard time. Hopefully, I believe I did that. I'm very thankful for the opportunity again.
Thursday night was a physical match, to say the least. How pleased were you with your players, especially those who are new to international football, and about their performance, and how does that go into the game on Sunday?
No, I was really pleased with the performance. It was a tough game, especially second half. First half, we were really good. Second half, obviously, when Slovakia score, putting us a bit under pressure. And then we rode the storm and come back into it and finished strong. So I was really pleased with that, both from a tactical aspect and a physical aspect, because it's not easy. Slovakia have got talented players. The players who are new to international football, I was really pleased with, because each game it's a step. Each game they gain confidence, and it was a real stepping stone. The other night, you have to kick on from that, and you have to improve.
Can you give us the latest on Aaron Ramsey? He's been training a fair bit by himself. Have you ruled him out yet?
He's on a different schedule, obviously, staying back, didn't travel to Slovakia with the team, stayed back with the physio. So we're just giving him all the time we can. Us as a coaching staff, we monitor the minutes that players have played, how they're playing for their clubs, how it goes in training, and then we select a team. And Thursday night there was a couple of surprises, but we took everything into account that I've just talked about, and then we select a team.
That's got to count. That's got to count. That's got to count. No frame. That was a warm-up. Yes, that's pathetic. Wow. Oh, look how friendly this is, by the way. It's a page, yeah. Oh, well, you've got to win. Albert! You've got to let the gaffer win it.
You know, that point could be vital. You know, it could go down to head-to-heads with Slovakia. We're relying on Croatia to beat Slovakia. We need to win our 2 games, and that's all we're concentrating on. It won't be easy, but we're capable of it. They're huge games. We need to win the 2 games. We know what we've got to do. The team is in good shape at the moment. I'm confident. Greatest nights of my life. This is just the beginning. You've seen a lot of young players over the last year, 18 months, and they can get better. They can definitely get better.